Hi everyone, how's it going? It's so good to see you every single time. This is Kreigh Carter with another audio tip video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about how to get good sound when you don't have great equipment, because not a lot of us are sound people, so we have to work with what we have. We have to work with just the equipment that we can get that's cheap, but we still want it to sound really good. So I have a few tips for you today. The main thing to keep in mind when you do not have great sound recording equipment, but you still want it to sound good, is to keep it as close to the source as possible. That means talking with your camera operator. That means keeping the frame line just as close as you can. And that's gonna make subpar equipment sound better. If you want another tip to actually bring it up another level, then what you can do is if you have a static shot with your camera, so it's on a tripod, you're not panning, you're not tilting, you're not moving it at all, then you can actually hide a mic in the scene and just remove it in post. All this audio you've been hearing here for this video has come from this mic here, hidden right next to me. So all we've done is we've had a static shot where I'm sitting here talking to you. We hid the mic in the scene. We just make sure we get a clean plate of what the background looks like after, and we just paint it out in post. So that mic is within 2 or 3 inches from me, so it should sound pretty good. So that's just a little quick tips if you want to have some of your gear sound better than it actually is. You can even use your iPhone or any phone that you have to record this audio and it'll still sound great. Just get it close to the person that you have. Now, if you do want to start recording your own audio, you want to get your own audio equipment, but need a cheap place to start, I suggest getting some kind of small self-recorder microphone, such as the one we have here. This is Zoom H1. This is very cheap. They're probably, you can get them on low end used, maybe 70 bucks, new, brand new, 90 bucks. They're very cheap. They have microphones attached to them. You can use them for your own productions, just sync it up and post. That's what we've done here. And again, if you get it as close to town as we have it here, it should sound great. And so you can do that for your own project. Now, if you want a lavalier option, Tascam makes a great product, the DR-10L. And that's gonna be a little pack recorder that you put a little micro SD in, and it comes with a mic, and you can put that on your actors as well, and that'll sound great as well. So those are some cheap options if you wanna start investing in your own audio equipment. Anyway, that's all we have for this video. Thanks for watching. Again, if you like it, give us a comment, tell us things we can improve on in the future. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ding-a-ling that little bell so that you can be the first one to see it. Thanks for watching.